Hello dear Salad Master lovers! We are going to have a cooking tutorial today with Ate Luisa. Right now, we're going to do a greaseless crispy pork kare-kare. No? Tapos, meron kaming starch rice. Dalawang klaseng rice. Yung dito, yung typical na rice cooker natin na electric. Sige, starch. Pantay dapat. Pagkatapos na hugasan, pantay dapat yung tubig dun sa level ng rice. So again, ang purpose to avoid yung pag-spike ng sugar or sa mga diabetes po, ito po yung diabetic friendly rice. Hindi mo na kailangan magbili ng brown rice, red rice, or multicolored rice. This will help us lower yung glycemic index. Ganyan po siya. So later, masasayang to, magfa-fall off yung starch. You will have a perfect white starch. Medium fire po tayo, mga kaibigan, to low fire. So this will be steamed rice using our 3 quarts toaster pan with steamer inset. So again, pwede ka rin mag-steam ng kung ano-ano mga dishes dyan. Po kung paano kayo magluto, kung ilang cups of rice at saka water, sukatin nyo. Kung gusto nyo yung ganon, yung tanshala bells, pwede po sa Salad Master multi-purpose 5-quart rice cooker. So look at Ate Luisa, gusto niya yung may pandan leaves para masarap at mabango ang mga rice. Tama naman, healthy pa. Ito po, we just set it and forget it. We will do a coding later dito. Dun sa mga may inset, pwede rin. Meron tayo separate videos doon, yung mga may MPI or multipurpose inset. Ito direct time cooking. So this is the rice. We're gonna cover it. And then, we're going to insert this digital probe. Sige, saksak nyo muna po yung probe. 220 volts. So sa rice cooking, temperature, arrow down. So, kung 1 to 2 cups of, 1 cup of rice 1. Kung more than paano yon? Paano rice 1? Temperature, arrow down. Pag dalawang beses mo arrow down, 2 cups. 2 or more na cups na rice. So, we're going to insert this and then you just leave it.
In temperature?
Yun na po yun. Naka-rice 2 na po siya. And then just leave it. At diba ang ganda? Ito po yung kaunahang in-invest ni Ate Luisa. 15 na pa to. So, just leave it. And then, mamaya makikita mo magko-convert to ng minutes. Hanggang sa mag-off siya. Pusa. Matic. So, kahit nakalimutan mo na may niluluto ka, safe siya. Yun. Po ang ating rice. Pwede nating iangat para makita yung nabis. Okay, te. Okay. How does it taste? Konti pa. O, sige. Konti na lang po. Konting tempo. Snap niya, pinrest, and then lift. Look at that. Yung mga parang faggy, that's the starch of the rice po. Okay, look at that. Okay, sige po. I think we're going to be done in less than 5 minutes. Then we're going to turn off the 3 quarts roaster pan for that. Yung rice cooker, nag-convert na po siya ng minutes ate. 7 minutes na lang. From rice to 7 minutes. Pakiangat po ate ko ang itsura. 7 minutes left. Look at that. Ang bango. Perfectly cooked. Pero 6 minutes pa. Sige. It will turn off.